Welcome everyone to Trial Master File for Sponsors, the Setup and Maintenance. I am Gary Freeman and I have over 30 years experience in the clinical industry, both in drugs and devices, having worked for pharmaceutical, biotech, device, and CRO companies. We're going to be looking today at the required components of the Trial Master File. Trial Master File, usually just shortened to a TMF, internationally at this point. We're also going to look at a Trial Master File reference model, which has been developed by the DIA, Drug Information Association, as a guide for how you might choose to set up your Trial Master File. We're going to discuss the maintenance of that file and the importance of quality control during the course of the study. We're also going to recommend a policy for the Trial Master File, which would be an SOP. And we're lastly going to discuss the changing regulatory climate and apply this to the essential documentation practices for the sponsor. Again, because most of our studies are international at this point. We need to make sure to get this whole file audit ready. Audit ready means available at a moment's notice. We are finding in today's environment that the FDA may actually contact a sponsor, or they may contact a site directly and ask for specific information from the Trial Master File without coming to the site at all or to the sponsor. This is a way of them checking to see if we really are supervising the study that we're conducting. You may know that the FDA has issued many guidance documents in the last 3 years. Many of them relate to investigator responsibilities, and they will insist there that the files are going to be made clear by the investigator. Now the monitor is usually the person looking at that at the site level to ensure that everything is in that regulatory file or the investigator notebook. So we are a guide to that investigator. It behooves us to make sure that the file is in good order, because if the FDA came to the site and found things out of order, they might disqualify that site. So even though we are the sponsor, it's very important that we know what's going on at that site file.